So go. You see, I'm in Uber Select now. Show select only. Here's how you pull it. It shows if you want to add UberX, you do it. I'm surprised that it shows the search. Usually the search only for UberX, and when you are in select mode, you don't supposed to see the search. Make $10 extra for completing 3 trips. So when I want to keep this $10 and I got Lyft request, I don't turn off the Uber. I still keep Uber running. Hopefully it will not kick me out to make this $10. Right now I don't know what you wanna know, so I cannot really answer any questions. But I am glad that it shows surges, because usually on select it hides them, and I need another phone to see the situation on UberX. Another phone could be run from your hotspot and just for display of search. You know where to add UberX when it's 2.0 multiplier. Okay, I think I'll upload more videos. Subscribe if you are interested. This morning I still have zero on my daily balance. Subscribe, check. I'll check with you next time.